Hello everyone! Chef Jade here with another basic kitchen lesson. Taking proper care of our cooking tools is as important as cooking well. So, for today's lesson, I will teach you how to season a brand new cast iron skillet to achieve better results in our preparations, and it will conserve it longer. After following these steps, you can make some perfect sautéed vegetables or caramelized onions with your brand new seasoned iron skillet. Please let me see these beauties. Post on social media with the hashtag Jade's Cooking Tips. On to our step-by-step. Step 1. For today's tutorial, we will need a cast iron skillet, obviously. Step 2. Wash and dry the cast iron skillet. Try not to use a harsh cleaner. Step 3. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Using a paper towel, drop some generous amount of oil and rub it all over, inside and outside, including the handle of your pan. Step 5. Set your pan inside the oven for at least 30 minutes. Step 6. Repeat step 3 at least 3 more times. Important: be careful once taking your pan out of the oven. It will be very hot. After finishing this process, your daily cooking will also help to season your pan, especially if some oil and fat are involved. So don't worry about a next season process for at least a few years.